Iran's ambassador to Lebanon, Mojtaba Amani, was slightly injured on Tuesday when an electronic pager exploded, according to Iran's semi-official Fars news agency. Amani's injury is minor, and he's being monitored in the hospital, according to a source that told Fars. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi called his Lebanese counterpart, condemning the incident as a terrorist attack and thanked Lebanon for providing quick medical care to Amani. On the same day, over 1,000 people across Lebanon, including Hezbollah fighters and medics, were injured when their pagers used for communication suddenly exploded. A Hezbollah official speaking anonymously called this group's biggest security breach in nearly a year of conflict with Israel. Hezbollah, a powerful Lebanese militia and political movement, is backed by Iran and opposes Israel.